Okay, Kim and I are going to show you how to add dualless to your extensions so that you will be able to have multiple screens open at the same time. So I just went to Chrome Web Store, just Googled it, and go in here.
Okay, you're going to enter dualless, D-U-A-L-L-E-S. There it is.
And I just click Add to Chrome.
Add to Chrome.
Add extension.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it says added.
Yes.
Okay.
And you want to make sure you see it because that's something you want to click when you're in Google Meet. You can see your participants in Google Meet and then whatever you're presenting.
Okay, so I might want to click here, but then I also want to click on maybe
So we're in Google Meet.
Okay.
And go ahead and click your extension dualless.
Okay, where is that?
Where'd it go?
It's up here.
We need it didn't pin.
Well, maybe click on these extra
right
ones.
Here. There it is. Let's pin it to make sure we can see it.
Okay.
There it is. It's the little split screen thing. So I'm gonna click it, and it's gonna ask you how you want your screen to look. Usually I do half and half. So I'm gonna take my Google Meet and put my Google Meet on the right. That means I can choose something else for the left.
I love it. Okay.
So I can choose, I don't know, what was over here?
I don't remember.
Sandy's Google Classroom.
Okay. Okay, or if you have like a slide, you could show them that as well.
Yeah, it could be anything. So you can see your participants here, and then whatever you're presenting here.
But you can have other screens as well. Let me just go back here.
Okay, so click it again. Click the one,
and I can go back to full screen. But I can do 2 screens at a time.
Yeah, and you can make it small. Click the 7-3 right here.
And then one could be small and one could be large.
Yes.
I love it. I love it.
I mean, everything's big now, but when you have a lot of participants, they'll be smaller.
Okay. How did you get to? There we go.
I made sure it was pinned. There you go.
And then you can only do up to 2 at a time.
Yeah.
You couldn't do 3. Okay, great.